Welcome back, and today we're replacing the MAF sensor on my 2-litre HDi Berlingo. It's a simple enough job. We've just got to remove this connection cable, loosen this Jubilee clip, and remove two T20 Torx, one here on the top and one just underneath. And here's the replacement sensor. So I picked this up on eBay for £28 and it's going to go straight in place. So take out the connector and then it's into the Torx first. So the top one's easy, but the bottom one's a little bit harder to get to. So I've got this kind of adjustable elbow thing and it helps me get the angle. Then we're going to loosen the Jubilee clip and it should just pop straight out. Now beware, I didn't notice at this stage, but there is an O-ring just inside where I've just disconnected it. So just be mindful of that. I will show it in a second. I was probably being a little bit cautious here, but just give it a pull and it'll come out. Don't need to screw it. There we go. Pop the new one in and line it up.
Hey mate, yeah.
It'll take a little bit of adjusting just to get the bracket to line up, but when it does, remove the plastic cover, pop it safely on the floor, and then just line it up. This should be your O-ring. There we go. I finally spotted it. So just slide it over the top, just a little bit, and then when you pop it in, just feed it into the inlet there. Once you're happy everything is aligned, just go ahead and start tightening things. So Jubilee clip, two Torx, and then pop in your electrical connector. The final job for me was just to clear my error codes, and then it was off to the races. And by races I mean sit in traffic, of course, but there we go. So I'm hoping with this and my EGR valve delete, my acceleration issues should now be solved. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Click like if you liked it. Makes me feel good. Bye.